Okay guys, I literally cannot see a single thing right now, but I'm at a new gym that my friend works at, and their memberships include classes. They include all their classes, which is like yoga, Pilates, spin, and I don't have a membership here, but because she works here, I guess like you can get like one free class like before you sign up. I'm not gonna sign up, but I'm taking my free class with her, and we're doing yoga this morning, so I'm pretty excited. I haven't done it before, and then we're gonna go in the sauna afterward, which I'm so excited for. And then after that, we're gonna walk her dog, I think. I'm not sure where, but it's so pretty outside. It's very sunny, as you may be able to tell, and it's like 30 degrees. So pretty nice day overall, if you ask me. And then I have to work at 4, which is kind of sad and kind of ruins it, but whatever. Hopefully I'll make some money. It's Friday night.
I just sweat it out. Every toxin.
There's beads of sweat. So confused. Why is it there? So this week I am house sitting and pet sitting for some people down the road from me, and they have a new couch, and this one, I think this is the new one. It looks very similar to their old one, so I'm not actually sure, but it's like not put together properly right now, like off to the side of the other couch in front of these big windows. So it's just like this big like jumble of cushions and stuff. And I've just been like sitting here in front of these big windows sunbathing because I'm lacking in vitamin D. So not much going on this week. We'll see. But the sun feels so good. I cannot wait for the snow to be gone. It's so windy out, and yesterday it snowed and then rained and it was so slushy.